Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Roberto Cavalli model, Montieri 1097 in color code 55G. It's a Havana color frame. On the temples here, we have a gold Roberto Cavalli logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with a gold Roberto Cavalli logo. The lenses are a brown color, and they're 100% UV protected, and it has the Roberto Cavalli writing on the top left lens. This frame is RXable. Up here we have our Roberto Cavalli case to put the glasses in, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.